की राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता सुप्रिया श्रीनाथ ने आज दिल्ली के कांग्रेस भवन में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की है, जिसमें उन्होंने कोरोना को लेकर सरकार के ऊपर सीधे हमला बोला है। उन्होंने कहा है कि 50,000 का मुआवजा लोगों के घावों पर नमक मिर्च छिड़कने जैसा है। कम से कम 5 लाख का मुआवजा ही लोगों को राहत दे पाएगा। नरेंद्र गिरी के सुसाइड नोट पर भी उन्होंने कई सवाल उठाए हैं और यूपी सरकार के ऊपर सीधा हमला बोला है। इसके अलावा उन्होंने यूपी में इस कांड को राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा का साथ खिलवाड़ बताया है और जांच की मांग की है। इसके अलावा उन्होंने पीएम मोदी के अमेरिका दौरे को भी लेकर कई मुद्दे और कई सवाल उठाए हैं।
But the reality is that this government has been dragging its feet on compensation from day one. And before I go any further, I want to assert the demand of the Congress party. The Congress president, our leader Rahul Gandhi ji, have consistently said there needs to be proper, adequate compensation for corona deaths. Today, from this platform, we demand a compensation of 5 lakh for every life lost during corona, because corona in India was a man-made crisis. Instead of providing for oxygen and cylinders and beds and vaccines and medicines, this government was too busy electioneering. But what did this government tell the Supreme Court? First of all, this government went and told the court that under the National Disaster Management Rules 2005, corona is not a disaster. The Supreme Court told them off, and in fact in its order of 30th June 2021 completely negated what this government had said. The government kept taking adjournments, kept dragging its feet. Eventually on the 22nd of September 2021, which is yesterday, the government has said that through the SDRF, a compensation of 50,000 will be released to every family, every life that has been lost due to corona. But one wants to understand, what is the written law? The written law on the 8th of April 2015, during the tenure of Mr. Modi, very clearly states that every life lost during a disastrous event, during a disaster, will be compensated for by 4 lakh rupees. Why is the government going back on the written law and the written word? It is absolutely true that at a time when the government should have prioritized corona management, it failed to do so. It was too busy electioneering, and which is why we saw the worst impact of corona. Just to place some things here, the main wage earners have died in families, children have been orphaned, people have lost their jobs, their wages have been down, they have been forced to withdraw almost 60,000 crore rupees from the EPF. And today it's a good day to ask, if you give only 5.5% from the excise duty that you have collected on fuel in the last 1 year, which is nearly 4 lakh crore rupees, you will be able to give 5 lakh for every life lost. But why is this government not looking to do that? Fails my model comprehension. It's also a good day to ask, where is the PM Cares Fund? What is happening with that? What is that money being put to use? Why is there such a shroud of secrecy around there? Why is nobody talking about the PM Cares Fund in the government? This is not some private fund of the BJP. This is money that people like us have contributed to. This is money that has been collected under the seal of the union government in the Prime Minister's name. Why is this money not being put to use? I would only want to reassert 3 of our big demands. 5 lakh rupee for every life lost during the corona pandemic. The shameful attempts to mask deaths have to be stopped immediately. There should be a fresh survey of deaths in every state, and adequate compensation should be given, and fresh claims should be accepted. We'll first take slow motor questions and then we can talk about the rest.